Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate SOS on your iPhone. So to deactivate SOS mode on iPhone, follow these steps. So first is to open the Settings app and then scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your iOS version. So look for Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options section and tap on it. Then, locate the Enable LTE or Voice and Data, and then just tap on it. You may see several options such as Off, Voice and Data, or LTE. Choose Voice and Data or LTE to enable normal cellular functions. And then exit the Settings app by pressing the Home button or using the swipe up gesture, depending on your iPhone model. So by following these steps, you should be able to deactivate the SOS only mode on your iPhone, allowing you to use regular cellular services for calls, text messages, and data. Keep in mind that the options and labels may vary slightly depending on your iOS version and carrier settings. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.